Most people don't fail at coding, they quit. Not because they're not smart enough and not because they lack talent. They quit because they start the wrong way. And in this video I show you why that happens and how you can avoid it. To understand why beginners quit, we first need to look at how they start. And the reason is not that coding is so difficult. In fact, learning to code has never been easier than it is today. In 2026, we have AI tools, endless tutorials and thousands of creators explaining how to start. So why do so many beginners still quit? Because they start without a plan. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is starting without a clear goal. If you don't know what you're working towards, you don't know what to learn, and sooner or later you quit. So how do you fix this? You set specific goals. That goal can be anything. Building your own website, creating an app or getting a job in tech. But goals alone are not enough. You also need routines. For example, if you want to build a website, you focus on HTML one day, CSS the next day and JavaScript after that. This way you always know what to work on and you don't waste time deciding what to do. And one last thing, deadlines. Deadlines make progress visible. If you can't see progress, you're more likely to quit. So make sure you make your progress visible. Another common mistake is thinking you need to know everything before you start. You don't. You don't need to memorize every HTML tag or every CSS property. The best way to learn is to start a real project and figure things out as you go on. Coding is not about knowing everything, it's about solving problems. And yes, coding can be frustrating. Bugs happen and things break apart. But when that happens, break the problem down into smaller parts. Solve one thing at a time. And if you're stuck, use AI as a helper, it's completely fine. And one thing you always have to remember, coding is a marathon, not a sprint. Being stuck for days is completely normal. Progress is often slow and sometimes invisible. That's exactly why clear goals matter so much. If you want to know how to start coding in 2026, watch the video on your screen next. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, consider subscribing.